My name is Nate Galvez and I'm from Ontario, California. So today I came to actually shred for my friend Doobies that passed away. It was his birthday a couple days ago and I wanted to shred for him. I know he's still with me in my heart and I'm always here to represent him. My car is a 1990 Mazda Miata. I added the body kit, which is a two-step body kit. I was fortunate to be blessed with the cage from the little speed shop. I was blessed with the Sparkle Evo seat. And I was also blessed with the Race Quit 5-point harness, deep dish wheel, fully drift knuckles. I did it myself, custom, welded diff. Competition is honestly, that's the best part of everything because you gotta work for it. You gotta be there to actually show that you're dedicated to this stuff. My plan out there was to go shred my tires to the rim like I always do. I gave 110%. My car just wanted to grip up. The highlight honestly was probably when I hit the side piece. Everybody went wild. I don't know why I hit my car, but I went out there ready to shred. Everybody loved my performance. I got a K&N air filter helmet, which is really cool because I always wanted one, and now I have one, and honestly, this is gonna be my helmet forever. And it even has Hoonigans on the back, which is pretty cool.